Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today's video, guys, we're working here on a BMW 3 Series generation 2005-2013, and we're going to show you how to find, locate, remove and replace the fuse for the alarm system on that BMW. Now, BMW uses 3 different fuse boxes throughout the years, so always double check that this is the correct one for you, because sometimes it will be a different fuse and you don't want to mess anything up. So let me show you now where ours is. We have more than 200 videos on this car, guys, so please give a thumb up, subscribe to the channel for more videos. And if you need help with anything, just drop a comment below. We'll try our best to make a video for you. So you need to come on this side, open the glove box compartment. Okay. Now right here you can see we have that cover and we need to remove it so we can get to the fuse box. These round things, you need to turn them 90 degrees up. Okay, like that, up, and then this one. And the cover will come out. After that, okay, this is your fuse box panel right here with everything. So let us show you now which fuses could be for the alarm system. Now, we can have a few of those. It could be fuse number 19 and fuse number 5 actually. So we'll start with fuse number 5. Okay, this is your puller right here. Just slide it out. The top part you use on the little ones. So if you go on the very top row right here on the very left side, fuse number 5 is the last one from left to right, or the first one from right to left. Okay, this fuse right here. So I'll go ahead. Okay, let me see if I can grab it and pull it out. Okay guys, this is our fuse, number 5. This is one of them. I'll replace it with a new one now. Okay, you need to make sure everything is lining up, everything is good. Because if it's not, okay, you're going to damage something trying to push it in where you're not supposed to. Like, I have a hard time now installing this one. Let's see why it's like that. Okay, everything looks good there. You just need to make sure you get it right in the middle. Okay, perfect, and I pushed it in. This is number 5. Now number 19, guys. Okay, you're going to go on the same fuse box square there with those fuses, and number 19 will be the 4th one from left to right. Okay, it will be this fuse right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is number 19. So any of those 2 fuses is for the alarm system on our BMW. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.